The question says arrange these fractions in ascending and descending order. Okay, so we have three sets of fractions. Okay, so when we look at the first set, we discover we have fractions with the same denominator. When we look at the second one, we have fractions with the same numerator. And when we look at the third fractions, we have different numerator and denominators. How do we arrange this set of fractions? So solution. Okay, so let's start with the first one, 8 over 11. We have 2 over 11. We have 10 over 11. We have 6 over 11 and then 9 over 11. So when we have a fraction and we have to arrange in ascending order, okay, ascending order from the least to the biggest, okay, and descending order from the biggest or the greatest, okay. So that is not descending. So from the ascending, from the least to the greatest, so we are starting this number from the least. So when we are arranging fractions with the same denominator, the highest numerator will always be the biggest one, okay? But starting with the ascending order, we are starting with the smallest, okay, which is 2, because we have the same denominator, so it's easy. So we have 2, okay, followed by 6, okay, followed by 8, followed by 9, okay, so the last one is 10, okay. So to put this in ascending order, which is 2 over 11, okay, 6 over 11, okay, 8 over 11, 9 over 11, and here we have 10 over 11 in ascending order. But in descending order, we look for the reverse of this, so which is 10 over 11, followed by 9 over 11, followed by 8 over 11, followed by 6 over 11, and we have 2 over 11. So this one is in ascending, okay, while this one is in descending order, okay. In illustration 2, we have 7 over 20, okay, 7 over 18, 7 over 51, we have 7 over 9, and 7 over 35. Okay, when we look at this, we have the same numerator, we have different denominator. So when we look at this, the highest denominator will always be the least number, okay? So in this case, to put this in ascending order, the least number will be 51, which is the highest. So I have 7 over 51, okay? So followed by 7 over 35, okay? So followed by 7 over 20, here I have 7 over 18, 7 over 9, okay? So do not forget, the highest will always be the least, okay? When you have the same numerator, okay? So for ascending, so if I'm putting this number in descending order, okay, I'll just look for the reverse. So I have here 7 over 9, okay, 7 over 18, I have 7 over 20, so this is 7 over 35, okay, here I have 7 over 51 in descending order. Okay, so illustration 3, when we look at this fraction, we have 2 over 3, okay, we have here 1 over 4, we have here 3 over 5, we have here 4 over 7, okay. So when we look at this, we discover that it has different denominator, different numerator. So in this instance, we look for the LCM of 3, 4, 5, and 7. Okay, so let's do that here. 3, 4, 5, and 7. Okay, we can use 2. This one is 3, 2, 5, and 7. We can still use 2. This one is 3, 1, 5, and 7. When you use 3, we have 1, 1, 5, and 7. When we use 5, 1, 1, okay, 1, 7. Okay, when you use 7, we have 1, 1, 1, 1. We have reduced it to 1, 1, 1. So let's multiply this. So we have this as 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 times 7. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 3 is 12, 12 times 5 is 60, 60 times 7 is 420. So that means the least common denominator is 420. Okay, so from here we set up 420 as the common denominator, okay, which is common to all these fractions. So for 2 over 3, okay, So for 2 over 3, okay, when we set up 420 as the denominator, so we have to look at for the numerator, the missing numerator. So what do? We divide 420 by 3. So how do we do that? So, okay, for 420 divided by 3, we have 3 in 4 to be 1. Okay, in 12 to be 4, that is 140. When we multiply 140 by 2, we should have 280. Okay, for the first one. For the second one, we have 1 over 4. So we set up 420 as a denominator. Okay, so when we divide this one by 4, we should be having 420 divided by 4. 4 in 40 is 10. In 20 is 5. That is 105 times 1, 105. Okay. So when we take the third one, we have 3 over 5. Okay. Equals, we have 420. So when we divide this one by 5 as well. Okay. We have 420 divided by 5. 5 times 8 is 40. Okay, in 20 is 4. Okay, 5 times 8 is 40. Okay, in 20, we have it to be 4. Okay, that is 84. So for 84 times 3, we have this to be 3 times 4 is 12. Okay, so 3 times 8 is 24 plus 1, we have 252. Okay, so for this, and for the last one is 4 over 7. So we set up 420. So when we say 420 divided 7, that should be 60. 7 times 6 is 42. So we have 60. 60 times 4, we have that to be 240. Okay. So now we have worked out the new numerator for this first set of fractions. So what do? We use this since we have the same denominator. Okay, in second case where we have the same denominator, okay, what do? We use the numerator to arrange. So since we have same denominator, so we have to focus on the numerators to arrange. So when we look at this, 280 is the highest, so that means 2 over 3 come first. So 2 over 3 come first, okay, that is 280, followed by 252. That is 3 over 5, okay. 3 over 5, which is 252, followed by 240, which is 4 over 7, okay. The last one is 1 over 4. 1 over 4, okay. 4 over 7, 3 over 5, 2 over 3, okay. So in summary, when we have the same denominator, okay, we can easily use the highest numerator to arrange in ascending and descending. Okay, when we have the same numerator, okay, with different denominator, okay, the highest number will always be the least. Okay, in our arrangement. So when we are arranging, it comes first. In ascending order, the reverse is descending. And when we have different denominator, different numerator, to put that in ascending or descending, we look for the least common denominator. We use that to figure out the new numerator, and we arranged either in ascending order or descending order. Thank you very much.